So we started on the River Thames, then we came onto the Wey navigation to the town of Guildford. We're on the move again today and we're heading to Guildford for the weekend.
You have to move every 48 hours on the River Wey, but it's not so bad on here because you can moor it pretty much anywhere. You don't have to cruise for that long, you can just keep nudging your way up.
First lock of the day is a flood lock, so straight through.
Big Steve, Big Steve, Big Steve. See ya.
This is what we mean when we say open the lock paddles. This is the paddle, it's like a gate, as Wes cranks, it lifts it up. I just love how Dukes has no idea that is happening right in front of him. He's just eating.
For the record, that's his food that he's kicked everywhere.
Oh my god, just leave it. Wes?
It can stay. Amy, I need some cruising fuel.
No!
Yes.
Cook!
Can you make me a hummus sandwich? The food of champions. Hummus a la bread.
Do I have to eat it?
I'll have it if you don't want it. Come on, nothing beats a hummer. If you want to make your own hummers, I'll put the recipe in the description.
Which actual way?
I don't know. Unknown. Are you guessing? I don't actually know.
I'm going straight.
Both look like viable routes. There's that tiny sign. Confidence rating.
4. No,
Percent.
6.
Oh, it's a weir. Oh,
It's
good,
definitely not that way.
good instinct.
Oh, it's the lock! That's the lock landing there.
Oh, is it? Oh. Back up, back up.
That wasn't helpful.
Oh, yes. Good noticing. It's quite a choppy lock to empty. There's like a small lock landing there, but we're waiting here. And then that way, all that fizzy stuff won't take the boat quite as aggressively from over here. Oh boy.
The yellow pin thing works so well. We've got the paddle open full. The boat's pinned at the back and you hardly even have to, you hold it and it just stays steady.
If that was any other wide lock, the boat would be smashing against either side.
So we're coming up to Guildford now. And we're speaking to our friends Bears and they're in the wharf, which is like one of the main mooring spots. But it's full. So we're going to moor on the outskirts because it's still only like a 15-minute walk into the town. So we can go and get some chips. But we went past the spot here before we read that. So we're just reversing back to it.
Sadly, this river's not quite wide enough to just spin round. Here we go. A little bit less overgrown here. It's such a nice spot here. You can hear the road, but it's not close enough to be annoying. It's really quiet. There's little rowing boats around, good solar, and pretty good internet.
One sec, let me just grab something.
Wait, what was that? What was that?
Because then the rest of the transition will be me holding the chips and it will carry on in a smooth motion. And then I'll do be like, See you in the morning.
You might as well film all this when you've actually got the chips.
Yeah, that's true, but whatever. That's better. Time to settle down.
10 out of 10 for effort.
See you in the morning.
Injustice!
Rufus does when we just let him out for a quick wee. It's like, because we're going back to the boat, the saddest tale.
The slackest lead.
And if I turn around, he's like, go, go, go.
Go, 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 go. Quick. Pull. You might all think that Rufus is this adorable little innocent bee. Well, he isn't. He's an ungrateful little crybaby.
8:30 in the morning. There's a spot opened up in Guildford. Go, go, go. Still going.
What just happened, Amy?
Wes always shouts at me. He's like, make sure you hold the tripod. Phone was on time-lapse mode. Nearly went in the canal. Wes caught my phone. Whew.
I managed to somehow grab her phone out of the tripod, but the tripod is well and truly gone. I don't think it's magnetic, but I may as well have a go. Nothing. I don't think it's magnetic. Get an old bottle cap though.
So we're all moored up at Dapdoon Wharf in Guildford.
And now we're going to get changed and head into the town.
Ready to go!
Felt a raindrop.
No, you didn't.
I did. Weather's a bit rubbish, so they're hiding away to try some vegan bugats.
It's a shame because we haven't been able to see like the high street yet because it's really raining and Wes has got a hole in the bottom of his shoe.
Yeah, my shoe's got duct tape on the inside, but it's not holding.
So we're hiding away.
These shoes I bought from, they were like a thrift pay by weight thing. I got them years ago. It cost me £3. I've probably had them for about 5 years. They've definitely seen better days. This hole goes straight through. My attempt at fixing it and with duct tape is failing. I hate soggy socks. I've got an idea. Is this weird? In a year's time, everyone's going to be doing the old bag foot. I should really just buy a new pair of Converse, but these ones have never failed me. I mean, until now, they failed me quite hard. They're immune.
Oh, I've got a hole too.
You need to bag foot. You need to join the bag foot clan.
Yeah.
Both just rustling around Guildford together.
Nice.
Nice. Good as new. It's a lovely day.
Always look for Nicholson's guides in these. We haven't got these two, so we're gonna get them. Oh no, someone's left the gates open.
100-tower bridge like us.
This is a barge. This is not a barge.
These are the boats that used to go on the Wey navigation. They're massive.
Place your bets. Will it fit on my head?
No.
You're right.
Most of the coal on the navigation was carried in barges like this one. And barges like this also used to carry flour, gunpowder, wood, and flour. I thought there was another one. I can stand up fully.
I can't.
So we're just leaving Dapdune Wharf. We had a really good time.
It's a nice secure space as well. They lock the gates at night and it's only about a 10-minute walk from a cinema, and we've not been to a cinema in ages. So last night we treated ourselves and went and saw the Barbie movie.
Such a good film. Now we're moving on a little bit further.
Right in the middle of loads of people. It's a very pretty stretch through Guildford.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Found a nice little spot. We've heard that this meadow is a really popular spot to moor on, so we don't need to go any distance, we don't need to be anywhere, so why not?
Time to go shopping, and finally we have 2 backpacks again.
We're having a barbecue tonight.
Oh dear me. Oh dear, oh dear. That burger is literally on fire.
Sausages are resembling the charcoal.
Oh no.
Television and flame grilled whopper.
But those sausages,
Oh, thank you.
they're long gone, Wes. Do you want a sausage? That is probably not even edible. Listen.
We could use that to put the mooring pins in.
You've literally got a bit of burn.
It's quite bitter.
Doesn't taste like sausage.
Everybody's going to eat those, okay? They're going to be
The barbecue's ruining everyone's food now. Just peeling my sausage.
Everybody would like chicken.
That's so sad.
Right, here we go.
Enjoy your meal.
Right, this barbecue's out of control.
Stop.
Take it. Don't distinguish it with the burger. This is an aggressive barbecue. Well, that was really nice. It was like a little send-off barbecue because we've been near each other pretty much since we did the Tidal Thames. We were all on that flotilla together. Now it's time for people to start splitting off and going their separate ways, and who knows when we'll next see each other.
But it was really nice.
If you enjoyed the episode, consider subscribing for even more vlogs.
Big shout out to the Patreons and those that got us the chips.
Check us out on our socials for even more content, and we'll
see you next time.